This is the trade folder along with Koki.
How's it going?
We are still talking about the third rule in determining sideways bias up confirmed or sideways bias down confirmed for the trend state. Now, please watch all the previous videos. Now, rule number 3 looks at the third price move. And here we're looking at two red candles as the third price move on the intermediate time frame. This is called the pre-anchor or the pre-move or the prior move. This price move can either be one candle or a series of candles. In this case, it's two candles. Add together all the candles are the same color. The pre-anchor move will be the same color as your action move. So here you can see the prior move is two red candles and your live action move is also two red candles.
So what do we do if pre-anchor engulfs the anchor?
All right, if the pre-anchor engulfs the anchor, then we are sideways. And that's what we talked about in the previous video. We were sideways bias. You're either sideways bias up or sideways bias down, not confirmed. All right, in this video, we want you to recognize when it is now confirmed and that you now have a determined trend. All right, so if the pre-anchor move engulfs the anchor, then price is moving sideways. All right, when the action move is outside the higher low of the pre-anchor, price action is either sideways bias up, confirmed, or sideways bias down, confirmed. In this picture, you can see that it was sideways bias down, not confirmed, until the last action candle, which is outside the bottom rail. Okay, so then you become, right there where that line is drawn, now that becomes sideways bias down, confirmed, once it passes that rail. Okay, now you have to determine if it's up or down. Now, which of the rails hits a candle body from the anchor? Okay, on the anchor candle, you see how the top line is hitting a red body. All right, the bottom line, that black arrow, is actually moving to the left, and it doesn't stop until it hits that blue body. So now, you look at the one, which one hit first? Well, the top of the anchor hit the red body first. That means the highs are in control, and we are sideways because price is engulfed, and we are biased down. So we are sideways biased down, and because the action move is below the rail, we are sideways biased down, confirmed.
So what do we do if the top rail hits the candle body?
Well, if the top rail hits the candle body first, then that tells us we are in some form of a down, sideways bias down, or a downtrend. If you hit the bottom rail first, if the bottom rail hits a blue candle body first, then you would be a sideways bias up or some kind of an uptrend. Now, this video will help traders make money by learning to identify when the price action is sideways bias up confirmed or sideways bias down confirmed. Entering a trade at this time would be more ambitious. The highest probability entry and least amount of risk among the 12 trend states would be uptrend with a setup or downtrend with a setup. Please click on like if you learned something or subscribe if you want to see more videos. If you have any comments or questions, please email team@growapparenttrade.com.